Ways to increase the sustainability of your business. Sustainability has become an increasingly important issue for businesses in recent years. Consumers are becoming more aware of the impact that businesses have on the environment and society, and are looking for sustainable products and services. In addition, governments and regulatory bodies are implementing stricter regulations on businesses to reduce their environmental footprint and improve social responsibility. In this article, we will explore some ways that businesses can effectively increase their sustainability. Implement sustainable practices. The first step in increasing the sustainability of your business is to implement sustainable practices. This includes reducing your energy and water consumption, minimizing waste, and using sustainable materials and products. By implementing sustainable practices, you can reduce your environmental impact, save costs, and improve your brand image. To implement sustainable practices, you can conduct a sustainability audit of your business to identify areas where you can improve. This may involve investing in energy-efficient equipment, reducing packaging waste, or using sustainable materials in your products. It's important to involve your employees in the process and provide them with training and support to ensure that they understand the importance of sustainability and how to implement sustainable practices in their daily work. Set sustainability goals. Setting sustainability goals is another effective way to increase the sustainability of your business. By setting specific, measurable, and achievable goals, you can track your progress and hold yourself accountable to improving your sustainability. This can also help you prioritize your sustainability efforts and ensure that you are focusing on the areas that have the greatest impact. To set sustainability goals, you should first identify the areas where your business has the greatest environmental or social impact. This could include reducing your carbon footprint, increasing your use of renewable energy, or improving your supply chain sustainability. Then, you can set specific targets and timelines for achieving these goals and allocate resources to support these efforts. It's important to regularly evaluate your progress and adjust your goals as needed. This can involve conducting regular sustainability audits, tracking your environmental and social performance metrics, and engaging with stakeholders to receive feedback on your sustainability efforts. Engage with stakeholders. Engaging with your stakeholders is another effective way to increase your sustainability and build a strong reputation for social responsibility. Your stakeholders may include customers, suppliers, employees, investors, and local communities. By engaging with them and listening to their concerns and feedback, you can identify areas where you can improve your sustainability and build trust and credibility with your stakeholders. To engage with your stakeholders, you can conduct surveys, focus groups, or other forms of feedback mechanisms to understand their perspectives on your sustainability efforts. You can also involve them in your sustainability initiatives by inviting them to participate in sustainability events or initiatives, or by collaborating with them on sustainability projects. It's important to communicate transparently and honestly with your stakeholders about your sustainability efforts and progress. This can help build trust and credibility and demonstrate your commitment to sustainability. Incorporate sustainability into your business strategy. Incorporating sustainability into your business strategy is another effective way to increase the sustainability of your business. By making sustainability a core part of your business strategy, you can ensure that it is integrated into all aspects of your business operations and decision-making processes. To incorporate sustainability into your business strategy, you can conduct a sustainability assessment of your business and identify the areas where sustainability